Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN.finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,473 level. We are currently ranked at 245 with a market cap of about $249 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $23 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So YFI is up around 0.1%, and in the last 24 hours. And without further ado, let us push over to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for YFI. YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? So for YFI, we have been looking at this level right here, the $6,000 level. We're seeing that has been a huge, massive. It was a resistance levels. The moment we went above, it became a huge support level. As you can see, every time we came into that level, the bulls always support. We always see this bounce, right? So the moment we came to this level, we're trying to say expect some sort of massive bounce from the bulls or reaction from the bulls to the upside. And as you can see, we made a video that we were buying at this level. We are up already around 18% since from then, right? So another massive signal we are seeing right here on the chart right here for YFI, and it is the MACD. The last time we saw this cross on the MACD right here for YFI, we saw YFI move right here from the $6,000 level to the $10,000 level. Currently, we are seeing the same cross happening right here, which means we could see prices go as high as the $10,000 level right here for YFI, right? So huge signal showing that we are almost repeating the same pattern, and we continue to remain bullish on YFI, expecting higher price targets for the price of YFI. So that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.